Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $150 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $150, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. L600 Pro Max Drone 4K 3-axis. L600 Pro Max Drone 4K 3-axis PTZ HD dual camera GPS 5G Wi-Fi RCF PV drone laser obstacle avoidance brushless motor quadcopter 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal, automatically detect obstacles within 20 meters, making flight safer. GPS one-click return to takeoff point, low battery return, no signal return. Identify the shooting object and perform automatic following flight within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft. Make a photo gesture, camera gesture in front of the camera. The aircraft flies independently according to the preset route, and players focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Continuously click on the GPS signal icon 3 times to open the map interface, where the map displays the final distance, longitude and latitude position of the aircraft. Number 2. New V168 8K Optical Flow Drone. New V168 8K Optical Flow Drone GPS Positioning Aerial Camera FPV Wide Angle Shooting Brushless Aerial Hover. The front lens is placed with wide angle 8K high definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and is electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra long battery life 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium ion battery. Battery life is about 28 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the APP mobile phone control, one key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, gesture for top. Number 3. Drone Professional Control 3000 drones. During flight, drones often experience screen shaking due to factors such as wind and vibration, which affects the viewing effect. To solve this problem, drones need to install a pan tilt to stabilize the camera and ensure smooth recording of video images. A 2-axis pan tilt refers to a pan tilt driven by 2 electric motors, usually installed on top of a drone, responsible for controlling the horizontal and vertical movement of the camera. By using a 2-axis pan tilt, the video footage captured by the drone can remain stable and not shake. A drone without optical flow hovering cannot be positioned in the air and is very difficult to control. The version with optical flow hovering can stabilize in the air indoors and outdoors when you release the remote control. Number 4. SG107 Pro Drone 4K Profissiona. SG107 Pro Drone 4K Professional Escape HD Camera GPS Wi-Fi FPV 1.2 km distance brushless motor auto return RC drone quadcopter 5G long distance Wi-Fi image transmission, headless mode optical flow positioning mode, real-time image transmission, intelligent follow surround flight, waypoint flight trajectory pointing flight, folding portable fuselage, one key return, one key takeoff/landing, gesture shooting, remote control photo and video recording, brushless motor speed switch, electric fence aircraft retrieval function, MV functions, filters, video effects, add background music, picture, video sharing. Number 5. 2024 NUS Plus GPS Drone 4K. 2024 NUS Plus GPS Drone 4K Professional with 2-axis HD dual camera 5G Wi-Fi obstacle avoidance brushless RC quadcopter drones. 4K 2-axis is gimbal aerial drone 5G 4K 2-axis gimbal unmanned aerial vehicle with is electronic Zhengwen professional brushless aerial camera. Wide-angle 4K high-definition Wi-Fi placed on the front lens, bottom high-definition 1080p with optical flow for switching camera angles, 2-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization design. Added is electronic stabilization, making photos clearer in RAWs. Precise positioning with GPS, can achieve one-click return, no signal return, low battery return. Ultra-long range 7.4 volts 1200 mAh/22.8 Wh mAh lithium battery, with a